So the goal is that we need to figure out what the measure of angle KAM is. We're going to be using the angle addition postulate. All right, we have this angle here plus this angle here equals this whole angle here. Now we got to look at which angle is KAM. We look at the vertex angle, and here's K, A, and M, and this is the vertex angle, so we're talking about this angle here. Well, we don't know what it is until we figure out the value of x, and so we're going to use the angle addition postulate. We would add this angle plus this angle, and it's going to equal this whole angle, and the whole angle is KAL, which is up here. Here's our vertex angle, so this whole angle right here is 175 degrees. So let's go ahead and set it up using the angle addition postulate. Now that we have our equation, we do the steps to solve. So what I just did was I combined my like terms. 17x plus 17x equals 34x. 8 minus 3 equals positive 5. And so now we can go ahead and just continue to solve this. So now we know our x value is going to be 5. But what is the measure of angle KAM? Since we know that the x value is 5, we can figure out what the value of this angle is, which is 93 degrees.